Erica Person, and today we are going to talk about how much do hearing tests cost. I actually think that it's the wrong question to ask, and here is why. When someone asks me how much does a hearing test cost, I immediately think of just the bare bones basic, when you're sitting in a booth, hitting the button, repeat back some words. And in that test, it's pretty inexpensive. But most people that come through our door, that's not what they're actually asking for. They're looking for us to diagnose why they're having communication issues. And that goes beyond the basic hearing test. If somebody is on a budget, I'll tell you to go to Costco and get your free hearing test. I can actually probably steer you to some competitors that offer free hearing tests to get you through the door so they can sell you some hearing aids. But if you're looking for my overall auditory health and how do I hear and how do I communicate and what kind of needs do I really need in different environments, that's when you're going to look at going to an audiologist who does a communication needs assessment. And so for that type of appointment, that's going to cost a little bit more, and that's usually not covered by insurance. But we're not only just going to do your basic hearing test, we're going to test how do you hear in background noise. We're going to assess you with different accessories, different things that will allow you to be successful in the environments that you want to be in. We'll be assessing your middle ear structure, your bone structure, reflexes between your ears, between and going through the brain. We're going to be possibly assessing specific aspects of auditory processing. So it's just a lot more comprehensive than what you're going to get at your basic retail hearing aid store. So the next time you call and you ask that question, don't be surprised if they give you a wide range, because we don't know if you're looking just for that bare bones basic hearing test, or if you're really truly wanting to get a full idea of your communication abilities.